Hello, good day. Welcome. So this is Iceland, and there are some objects. I just want to point them out. Now this one here, I can't remember a time it's never been there. It's always there. But Jeff P. did a video today. He's explaining everything. Jeff P.'s last video. I recommend everyone see it. He connected the dots in such a major way that you just won't believe it. And it's so simple. And it's pretty much kind of like what we knew already, except for the technical aspect of it. But we knew what was there. We just didn't know how to say it. And he knows how to say it. So, I'm very happy to have seen that video he put out. Jeff P. So we are here for 1.5 minutes only, just for a quick peek and to promote his video. And there you have it. I told myself we're going to get out of here in 1 minute and 30 seconds. There we go. We're out of here. Bye.